folks, welcome back to Bob's Bottom Shelf. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy rum cocktail, the Mojito. If this is your first time viewing Bob's Bottom Shelf, what we're all about here is making affordable cocktails at home using quality and affordable liquors and liqueurs, or what I like to call top of the bottom shelf ingredients. Alright, so what makes the Mojito quick and easy to make is that it uses 4 common ingredients: lime, rum, mint, and club soda. Alright, so our rum today is Cruzan light aged rum. You can grab this for about $10. And we're going to be using fresh squeezed lime juice. I also have a bottle of lime juice here just to show both options. Now traditionally the drink does call for muddled mint. Today we're going to be using mint simple syrup. And for club sodas, I would usually recommend these small cans because if you open a large bottle, it's going to go flat rather quickly. So unless you're hosting a large party or something, I would just get some smaller cans. This is store brand club soda that I got for about $2.50. Alright, so let's start making our drink here. I have my recipe book. We're gonna need our cocktail shaker and my measuring glass. And we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of Cruzan light rum. And the next thing we're gonna need is 1 ounce of lime juice, which should be about 1 squeezed lime. And when you squeeze fresh lime juice, you generally want to use a sieve to filter it. Otherwise, you end up with a lot of lime pulp in your drinks. And I don't like pulp in my drinks. Alright, so there's juice of 1 lime. That should be about 1 ounce. The next thing we're going to need is about 1 ounce, 1.5 ounce of mint simple syrup. Now the amount kind of depends on how sweet your simple syrup is and how strong your mint flavor is. Alright, let's add some ice. Get our highball glass here. Some more ice to that. And I'm going to shake it for not too long, maybe about 10 seconds or so. Alright. And the last thing is to top it with club soda. Give it a little stir. Alright. Cheers, Mojito. The Mojito is certainly one of my favorite cocktails of all time. I would say very light, very refreshing, very subtle notes of lime and mint. So if you enjoy rum, lime, and mint, I would certainly give the Mojito a try. If any of you have ever made a Mojito using mint simple syrup as opposed to muddled mint, leave me a comment and let me know which one you prefer. And subscribe for more episodes of Bob's Bottom Shelf where you save money making cocktails at home using quality and affordable ingredients. Till next time.